So we start off today's video with someone who has this gorgeous, thick, mid-length hair. The hair is cut right off with these ponytails. Oh my goodness, I absolutely adore this pixie makeover. She's got the gorgeous bangs in the front to frame out her face. I thought that she had beautiful hair before, but I think the short hair just looks absolutely stunning on her. Gorgeous makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, so we have someone here with mid-back length hair. Now her hair does look like it is kind of thinning towards the ends. So she might have a bit of damage here. The stylist does cut the hair off. Looks like she's also getting some color. Ooh, I see the red. Oh, she did a pop of color in the front with that red. Oh, wow. She got an asymmetrical pixie undercut. Very cute. I wish we could see like more of that red though. We didn't really get like a nice close-up, but I love this idea. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. And she gets this chic, modern bob haircut. Her hair looks so much healthier and fashion forward with this cut. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair, beautiful red color here. And it looks like she wants to get a bob. So it looks like the stylist did cut the hair. We didn't see that part, but we're now seeing the color added. And yes, she went with a dark bob. Now this one comes to just around the shoulders, very chic style. Her hair looks so healthy, so volumized. So here we have someone, it looks like she might be in for a cut refresh here. Maybe a color touch up. Ooh, oh. So it looks kind of like she got a nice mullet-inspired style. A lot of choppy texture going here. Bangs in the front. Almost like a nice mullet bob variation. Very cute style. And then here we have someone with the pixie. She's going shorter, maybe getting a cut refresh here. It looks like she gets more of like a faded pixie style. Oh, very nice. I love the edginess behind this look. So here we have a dramatic big chop. Oh wow, I love it. I love the pop of blue. Beautiful blonde pixie, lots of texture here, much needed volume added to the hair. Oh, she's almost like a platinum blonde. Oh, I love the texture the stylist created. That is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Very cute style. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.